You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Greek mythology. If you want to learn more confusing names from Greek mythology, make sure to stay tuned. The name of her father in particular is very confusing. I've got more videos for you to learn that. She was a Trojan woman. How do you pronounce this? Let us know. English pronunciation, Greek, Chryseis, but in English it's normally pronounced as Chryseis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.